Thank you once again for joining us as we continue our tutorial series on React. In this video today, I will be showing you how to set up a development environment for React where you can run and debug your code before deploying it to a production server. To build your development environment, there are two pieces of software that I recommend that you download and install. The first being Node.js, which is an open source cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment that executes JavaScript codes outside of the web browser. It is designed to build scalable network applications. The second being Visual Studio Code, which is a free source code editor developed by Microsoft for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Some of the key features include support for debugging, syntax highlighting, IntelliSense or intelligent code completion, code refactoring, and embedded Git. At this point, let's go ahead and point our browser to nodejs.org and click on download. From this page, let's click on either Windows installer if you are using a Windows-based machine or Mac OS installer if you are using a Mac OS. Alternately, you may select the source code if you are using Linux-based computer systems. Make sure to choose LTS or long-term release as it provides long-term support for your install. That way, your software receives updates and security patches for a longer period of time. Once Node.js has been downloaded, then follow the setup wizard by going next, accepting the license agreement, and continuing with the default options. Note that this time you must be an administrator or your account has to have administrative privilege. Or in terms of Mac OS and Linux, you need to be a root user or have root privilege to continue with the install. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and click on Finish. And let's move on to the next software, which is Visual Studio Code. So at this point, you can go ahead and point your browser to code.visualstudio.com and click on download. Once the download is complete, click on the installer and follow the installation wizard to have Visual Studio Code installed on our computer. Next, let's go ahead and verify that everything has been successfully set up by opening our terminal, or if you are using Windows, go ahead and type CMD in the search and open the command prompt. And within the command prompt, go ahead and type node-v, which should give you the version number of your current install. That's it. Your development environment has been successfully set up. At this point, you can give yourself a pat on the back and stay tuned for our next video where I will show you how to create your first React application. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video.